Hey everyone, how are you? And if you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is KCV, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my 5-minute makeup routine, my 5-minute minimal makeup routine. And this is minimal in my opinion. Everyone has their own definition of what minimal is. This is pretty minimal for me because it is not technically a full face of makeup, but it's still probably more than someone that would just put eyebrows and like mascara on. But either way, I find this to be on the more minimal side for makeup. This is something that takes me 5-10 minutes to do, mostly 5 minutes, but if I want to really go into detail, it could take up to 10 minutes depending on what I decide to throw on my face. So I'm just going to call this 5-minute makeup routine because you can do this in 5 minutes. So enough rambling, I'm going to go into this because I don't want this video to be super long. You guys want to see 5-minute makeup routine, so you will see a 5-minute makeup tutorial. And before I get into it, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, hit that post notifications, you know the drill, that way you know when I will upload until I have a schedule. Also follow me on all my social medias, which are linked at the bottom and down below. So without further ado, let's just get right into this tutorial. So we're getting right into this tutorial, and just don't mind my voice because I am still getting over a cold. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. It's very hydrating, it creates a nice even base, and also really works well with powder products, which is what I'll be using later on in the video. I'm going to conceal my under eyes with my Kokie Cosmetics Illuminating Concealer. I also like to apply this down the center of my face in any areas that I have that I want to cover up. I don't always use concealer, it just depends on the day I'm having, if I have extra time and whatnot, but I'm going to go ahead and just blend that out with a damp beauty blender, and then take my Too Faced Peach Matte Perfect setting powder, and I'm going to go ahead and take the same beauty blender and set all of that concealer, that way nothing gets in the way when I apply my powder foundation later. The foundation I'm going to use is the Maybelline Better Skin Powder Foundation. It has like a medium coverage, but I really like it because it also does not clog my pores, and it's just better for your skin, just like what it says. I'm using a fluffier brush than I normally would use for a powder foundation, just because I feel like it provides more coverage faster, but I'm not trying to go for a full coverage. I'm going for more like light coverage, so it just works perfectly. And then to add a little more color to my face, I'm going to add this bronzer on a fluffy brush. Again, not trying to be super precise with this. I just want to add a little more color. It's going to be a very natural, simple makeup look, so that's what I'm going for. And this bronzer is from ColourPop. So I'm also taking the same bronzer on a fluffy shadow brush, and I'm going to apply that into the creases of my eyes to add a little bit more depth there. Once I finish with my eyes, I like to go in with a little bit of highlight if I have the time. This is from Pixi, and I'm just going to apply it to the tops of my cheekbones and basically the high points of my face, kind of bring out my features a little bit more, and I think it pairs really well with the bronzer, going for a more natural look, so that's why I like doing it. And then I'm going to set everything in place with my Milani setting spray because I always use a setting spray. To do my eyebrows, I'm just doing it very, very minimally. I'm not going to do anything crazy, so I'm taking a tinted brow gel just to kind of keep all my unruly hairs in place and add a little bit of color. And then I'm going in with my Benefit brow pencil just to fill in whatever sparse areas I have on the end. And that way it gives it a nice natural look. Mascara is a must for me, so I always make time for it no matter what. And I'm using my Wander Beauty mascara that I just have been loving lately. So I'm just going to add a nice thin layer of mascara on both top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner. This is from Pixi. I'm just going to lightly line my waterline just to add a little bit more definition to my eyes. And we're going to top this look off with a tinted lip balm. It's one of my favorite things to use on an everyday basis. It's just really simple and quick. This is from Wet n Wild, and it's purple tinted. I just really, really love it. Okay, so that was it for my 5-minute minimal makeup routine. This is the finished look. I just really like this routine because it's easy to mess around with, and like I said, it only takes 5-10 minutes at most. This has really been a lifesaver when I just don't have time to put a full face, and that's okay. You know, you don't have to actually go out in public with makeup on. I have no problem going out in public with no makeup on, but I just feel more comfortable having something on my face, especially when I'm having a bad skin day, which happens a lot to me. This Better Skin powder foundation has salicylic acid in it, and it kind of just helps cover any issues that I feel like are just really screaming and need to be covered up a little bit. I don't feel bad covering up with this since it does have salicylic acid in it. I will have all the products I use listed down below. That way you guys can check them out if you want to. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Look forward to the rest of the videos for the rest of the week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.